You are welcome to this powerful video. On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $1,000 per week with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. This is a simple strategy that you can use to make money from home without any skills, without any experience, and without any investment. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to find a product on this platform so that we can promote and then make money. So what we are going to do is that you are going to click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are categories of digital products that you can promote, so you can select any of these categories. But on today's video, we are going to be promoting products under dating, love and relationships. So you are going to open that so that you can begin promoting products in that category. Once you click on that, you can see these are products under this category. You can see his secret obsession. If you promote this product, you are going to earn 90% commission, and that is $31.52 per sale. So as I scroll, you can see another one here. This is 75% of the price, that is $24.40. You can see as I scroll, there's another one here, soulmate sketch. You are going to earn 60% commission, and that is $19.88. So what we are going to be doing is that I'm going to show you how to promote this product, his secret obsession. The reason why I like this product is that they have an affiliate support page whereby you can get free resources to promote the product. So that means you don't need to hire anyone to create video ads for you. You don't need to create your own video ads. Everything is included. You don't need to write articles to promote this product. You don't need to create your own banners. Everything that you need to promote the product is provided. So let me click on the affiliate support page to show you more. So as you can see, these are the resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have banners, they have sample emails, promotional link, they have custom reports, product reviews. You can see a whole lot of different resources. Everything that you need to promote this video is provided by the product owners. So it is very easy to promote this particular product. So let's scroll down. As you can see, this is the chart showing you the commission structure. So they have a lot of different products that you can promote. So you have an advantage of making more money when you promote this product, because when you promote the main product, there are other upsells and downsells products that this particular owner is going to promote to the customer, and you are going to be earning money each time the customer buy the downsell or upsell product. So as you can see, many of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to download one of these resources to promote the product. So in this video, we are going to be using video ads to promote the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on product review. Once you click on product review, you are required to enter your email. So just enter any email that you have. Once you enter your email, click on get started. Alright, so once you enter your email, you can see you can now get access to all these resources that you need to promote the product. You can see from promo links, email, copywriting, images and video ads, articles and landing pages, and then you can see paid traffic. They have a lot of resources for you. You can see course review. So you can see they also have the rules that you need to follow. On this video, we are going to be using video ads to promote the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on image and video ads. So once you click on that, you are going to scroll down and then select video ads. So once you click on that, you can get access to many videos, and you are going to use them to promote the products. Once you click on videos, you are going to see a page like this. As you scroll down, you can see these are long videos that you can use to promote the product. You can see there are 3 in number, as you can see here. When you scroll down, you can see these are also short videos that you can download to promote the product. So let me use this one. So discover why good men pull away. So you are going to click on it if you want to download the video. So once you click on it, you are going to see a page like that. You can see the videos here. So you are going to download this video so that you can use them to promote the product. To download them, you are just going to scroll down, come here and then click on download zip videos. Once you click on that, the videos are going to be downloaded onto your PC. I've already done that ahead of time. So as you can see, these are the videos. So it is in a zip file. So you are going to just click on it. Once you click on it, you can extract the videos so that you can begin to promote the product. As you can see, let me just open them for you. So as you can see, there are 3 videos in this particular zip file. So you can use any of these videos to promote the product. Once you extract the videos, you are going to be using this website to promote the product. you can see the name of this website is mgto.tv. This is a popular video sharing website that you can use to promote the product. This website gets traffic from tier 1 countries. So I'm going to use SimilarWeb to analyze the website so that you can see. As you can see, nearly 47% of the traffic is coming from the United States. You can see that it is even growing. When you come here, nearly 14% is coming from Brazil. You can see 7.03 is coming from Australia. You can see nearly 5% is coming from United Kingdom. You can see that the traffic is growing there. So this is a good website that you can use to promote your product because the traffic is growing. So you are going to be getting a lot of traffic if you continually use this website to promote your products. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to create your free accounts on this website so that you can begin to promote the product. It's free to create an account, but if you want more features, you need to pay. But you can still get views even if you are using the free version. So what we are going to do is that you are going to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, you are going to click here upload so that you can upload the videos onto this platform so that you can get people to view them and then click through your affiliate link. Once you click on upload, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you can drag and paste your video here, or you can just click here upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your video and then click on open so that you can upload it onto this website. Once you click on open, you can see that the video is uploading, as you can see it right here. So the next thing is that you are going to select your video type, so just leave it as video. Once that is done, you are going to write the title of your video here. When you go back to the affiliate support page, you can get the title of the video and then paste it here. When you come back to the affiliate support page, you just copy the title. Once you copy the title, you are going to come back to your video and then paste your title here. Once you have your title, the next thing is that you are going to select the video language. So here our video is English. Come to the description, and here you don't need to write a lot of information. What you just need to do is that you are going to write your call to action. The video, they have something like visit our website, so it means anytime people view the video, they know that they have to click on a website. So when we leave our affiliate link at the description of the video, we are going to get them to click through it. So here you are just going to type something like visit our website here, just like that. Visit our website here. Once you type something like this, you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to go back to Digistore24. So once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to shorten it because this link, it looks spammy. So you are going to use a URL shortener like Catly.com. You can use Bitly, you can use PrettyLink, or whatsoever that you want. So once you are on Catly, you are going to paste your link here. Once you paste your link, click on shorten. Your link is going to be shortened within some few seconds. As you can see, this is the shorten link. Once you shorten the link, click on copy. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your video and then paste your link right here. So once you paste your link, the next thing is that you are going to select the video category. So our video is not film and animation, so you are going to just click on it so that you can get the right category. So you can select people and blogs. You can also select how to and style. So we are going to select peoples and blog. Once you select peoples and blog, the next thing is that you can block certain countries, you can block certain continents. So that is the geo blogging. So you don't want to block any country, you are going to leave it as it is. The next thing is that you are going to leave the privacy as public so that you can get people to view it. See, once that is done, the age restriction. So if your video contains adult content, you need to restrict people below 18 years. So you are not going to restrict anyone. Once that is done, you are going to tag your video. So let's type something like love, relationships, we have dating. So you are going to add as many tags that you want that are relevant to the content. So the next thing is that the price. So this video, we are not selling it, so you don't need to enter any price here. The rent price, you are going to leave it as it is. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the thumbnail. You can select a different thumbnail. You can also leave it as it is. So as you can see, the next thumbnail here, so we are going to leave it with the image. Once you have your thumbnail, the next thing is that you are going to click on publish so that your video can go live onto this platform. So you just click on publish, and you can see that it will be published within some seconds. As you can see, our video is converting, so we are going to wait for it to convert, as you can see it here. So now our video is live, so let me scroll for you to see. As you can see, this is your affiliate link. So anytime people view the video, they are going to click on your affiliate link. Once they click on it and then buy the product, you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. So as you can see, the videos are many, so you are going to continue to upload them onto this website. So let me show you. As you can see, they have 3 videos in this particular zip file. When you come back, you can see other videos here. There are many more, so you can see 1, 2 and 3. So any of them that you download, you are going to get 3 sets of videos, and you are going to continue to upload them to the website so that you can get people to view them and then click through your affiliate link to buy the product for you to earn money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.